Hello guys, welcome to another video. As you can see, I have another package here for you guys. This is part of my continuation of my mechanical pencil series. As the time I did this recording, I'm not exactly sure which mechanical pencil is actually in here, but you guys will know by the title of the actual video what's actually going to be. So let's dive in here and let's take a look. And what do we have here? Well, seems like there's a few items in here. Okay. Oh, what the heck is this? I got no idea what that is. Is that all of it? That's all of it. Okay, so I got a little note here. Okay, so this actually is the Pentel mechanical pencil. They call it a smash. So on the opposite side here it says, "Thank you very much for your purchasing. If this transaction has been good, we appreciate if you give us a positive review, 4 or 5 stars. If anything is wrong with your order, please contact us on message. So we'll try our best to resolve the issue." Because they got a Facebook page too as well. And yeah, so I'm sure if you guys can actually scan this code, I'll just keep it there for there. You can always pause the video if you like. So what's this? I'm not even sure what this is. Is this candy? Oh well, anyway, I guess I'm just gonna keep it off to the side for now. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so alright. There's the actual pencil. This has got something with a little tube. Okay, this one here is actually got a little bit of weight to it. I'm actually might not be surprised if it's actually probably aluminum or something like that. But anyhow, I love this perforated grip. Sorry here guys, for a second. Okay, I just love this perforated grip here. Come on, focus. This is almost like a rubber feeling. That's really nice. Clip seems to be really strong. I just love this black. Okay, so it's got the shade selector for your LEDs and whatnot. Come on. Okay, you're not focusing here. Let's push this back a little bit so it actually focuses for you guys. So there it is. Now to get it to change, I'll have to figure out how this changes here. It feels like this actually turns. Oh, okay. Can't get that to turn anyway. Let's check out the eraser here. So this top here almost feels like it's almost like rubber. It actually takes quite a bit for it to come out too. So it's got this very long, narrow, long barrel to it. It's got a really small eraser to this. And of course it's got a long one too as well. And the lead's in here because there's only one lead in here. Plus the one that's attached to the barrel, of course. And it will come out right away if you tilt. Yeah, so this in here actually tilts at you don't need to tilt it very much for it to come out. So this one here is a 0.5mm lead. This Pentel Smash. So let's check out the clicking mechanism. Feels pretty solid. Okay. Actually, this is actually feels thinner than like for example like the Pentel ores here. But if you actually put them together, almost they're about the same. For some reason it feels like it's thinner for whatever reason. I could actually write with this pencil all day too, honestly. Let's see how okay. Writes really nice. I actually like it. Just the only thing is, I don't know if it's the lead switching around in there, but see if I can get you guys to listen. So that's kind of weird how that makes. Hopefully you guys can hear that. That's I think that's the first mechanical pencil I've heard that I've had. It actually makes an interesting sound like that. But anyway, let's check out the eraser here. Got the eraser. So let's see how this erases. Actually, erases pretty good. Does the eraser get dirty? It gets dirty a little bit, but it's not too bad. So this one here would be a definitely yes, a buy. Mind you, this particular pencil here is actually more expensive. It's more expensive than one of the other mechanical pencils. I think they paid $16 for this one here, and $16 Canadian. Let me just check the page here again. Yeah, so it's $16.72 that I paid for this particular pencil. So it's not cheap, but it feels like it's pretty good build quality. It's got a little bit of weight to it, so that's you know that's gonna withstand. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. So this is the Pentel Smash 0.5mm pencil. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Enjoy the rest of my content. subscribe. And just a reminder that I'm running a giveaway. Watch my 1,000 videos celebration video. I'll put a link up here for you guys to get all the details for that. Until next time, goodbye.